In front of me is Nokia 2720 Flip, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on the following device. So you have two methods, two possibilities. The first one is to use a secret code, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, so smoothly enter the code and then you will be provided with details. Tap on OK then, and then you can also check it via settings, so just open the settings at first. Go to device and click on device information. Now scroll down and select more info, and right here you've got IMEI numbers. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.